Welcome to 6219 Tiroco Way, a solar-powered estate in the guard-gated Waterstone community of Windermere, Florida, offered at $2.6 million. Step inside to soaring volume ceilings and a light-filled open floor plan. Separate formal living and dining rooms flow beautifully for entertaining. The family room opens right into the heart of the home. And what a kitchen, anchored by a large center island with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, natural gas cooking, two pantries, and a sunny breakfast nook. The first floor primary suite is a true retreat, with a bay window overlooking the pool and dual custom walk-in closets. Its spa-style bath has dual vanities, a large soaking tub, and a walk-through shower with dual benches. Upstairs, you'll find 6 more spacious bedrooms full of natural light. Plenty of room for family, guests, and flexible living. There's a convenient Jack and Jill bath with a double vanity and well-appointed baths throughout. Movie nights are covered with a dedicated media room. Plus, a private home office for working from home. An elegant staircase anchors the 2-story foyer, and a loft connects the upstairs. Step outside to your private oasis, a designer custom pool and spa with waterfall and fountain features. Surrounded by elegant travertine decking with 2 sizable side yards for room to play and total privacy. Waterstone sits on the shores of Lake Butler with 24/7 guarded security, scenic walking trails, and a private gate to Windermere Preparatory School. You can even watch the Disney fireworks from the community, with theme parks, dining, and major highways just minutes away. This is luxury living in one of Windermere's most sought-after communities. To schedule a private showing, call or text me at 321-373-3536. I'm Ryan Solberg with MaxLife Realty.